Hi Lanny, it's Heather from Fireland Chevrolet. Again, thank you so much for your interest in our 2020 Traverse. Wanted to kind of walk around the vehicle real quick for you. Kind of move back a little bit. I did a walk around of the whole body, looking for anything that might have been pointing out, other than just wind and dirt kind of beating it this week with our snow and rain showers that we've had, and then of course the birds. I'm not seeing anything on the vehicle that's standing out to me at all to kind of point out to you, but I wanted to do a full kind of wrap around for you to see the exterior, and then I did check on the interior and everything. This one has all weather mats, which we have stored in the back, but I put up the third row seats for you so you could see. Sorry about that glare with the sunlight, but third row is looking really good. Got your two captain's chairs here for your second row. Maybe see a little bit better there. Gonna do that shot in the back too for you. Hopefully you're not getting too much of a glare. And then your front interior. Oops, sorry. And then both these seats are looking really good too. So I hope this kind of gets you a little bit better perspective than just looking at the photos online. I know that we had a ton of photos, but hopefully this will help you out a little bit more. Like I said, I'll check into the inspection reports and see what we have as far as when we took it in on trade. But if you have any questions, give me a call on my cell phone. It's 419-366-1834. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.